Happy Tuesday. Time for Tidbit Tuesdays. As you know, I mentioned last week, we're gearing up for open enrollment. So what can you expect to see change this year? I still don't have a pricing. I will have access to that at the very end of October to be able to see the plans, provide quotes, and strongly encourage you to shoot me an email if you want quotes for next year. Let me know of any changes so I can run the quotes accurately and get those out to you before November 1. We can expect prices will increase. You know, last year was insane with a 37% increase across the board. I do not anticipate that again this year. Generally, historically, a huge increase like that doesn't happen back-to-back years. So the prices have been set. Insurance companies have to get approval from the State Board of Insurance back in March and April. So they know what they're going to charge. They just haven't told us yet. So I am hoping this whole month I'm attending different webinars and trying to find out what's going on so that I can relay that information to you. There'll be a lot of stuff I relay in October. Once September's done and I know all the changes, I will start having my videos focused toward that. So be on the lookout for that. But something else that always changes every year is deductibles. They tend to go up every year. Out-of-pocket maximums go up every year. Bronze plans currently, or all bronze plans currently are HSA compatible. I expect that to continue into next year. Copays will likely change. Networks likely change. So even if you're happy with your plan, we still need to review it because the marketplace, especially if you have a marketplace plan, because the marketplace plan penalizes you if we don't do an active re-enrollment. You can't just let it re-enroll. There's steps I need to take to enroll you. There's also a link I can send you if you want to do it, but do it in a way that allows me to still be your broker, so I still have access to help you and look at your information and all those things. So it'll be very important that you get on my calendar. I was pretty busy last year. I'm going to be just as busy this year. There's only me. I don't have another person that helps me. So be patient with me. But, you know, if you're a pretty simple re-enrollment, shoot me an email. Say, Janice, I like my plan. My doctors are the same. Here's my income. I can rerun quotes for 2027. Send those to you. And then it'll be super easy to get you re-enrolled if there are no changes. If there are changes, please book a time on my calendar. You can book a time in October for us to review any changes to your status, whether it's health, income, family members, those kinds of things. I can get all that information in October, so it's much easier for me to run the quote for you when I have the correct information. Because I'll run it, it won't be right if you don't tell me the changes. And yes, I'll rerun it again, which I'm happy to do, but we can get it right the first time. That lends to efficiency and less back and forth between you and me. Your time is valuable too. And it's just that I'm so slammed. I want to make sure I provide everyone with the best service I can, with the best plan options I can. Last year I ended up having to do 2 and 3 calls with some people because of all the changes. So I'm hoping there's not dramatic changes, that one call and an email will take care of us for this year. So I'm able to help more people. Just show me grace because it's going to be insane. So until next week, peace out.